guys, it's Rachel, and today I am going to be filming a products I've used up video. So I am so excited to be filming this because I am so proud of myself for using up this many products. This whole MAC bag is full of stuff that I have used up recently, and I'm excited to finally be able to throw it away. But I'm just so proud of myself because I've used up so much stuff recently. So I'm excited to share it with you and share my thoughts on the items that I have used up with you guys. So if you want to see the products I've used up recently, then just keep watching. So the first product is the CVS Strengthening Nail Polish, and I do have another one of these. And I mean, I don't really have anything special to say. I mean, it takes off my nail polish when I actually have nail polish on, so it does its job. So I like that. The next product is the Garnier Fructis Color Shield shampoo for color treated hair, and I really like this. I have repurchased this, and it smells really good. This kind of smells like a little bit fruity, I would say, but I really like this, so I definitely recommend that you give it a try. The next product I actually used up two of, and these are the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle conditioners, deep conditioners, and I just use these as regular conditioners because I don't wash my hair every day. So when I do wash my hair, which is about 2 to 3 times a week, then I just use these. And I love these, except they don't last very long because they're only 8 fluid ounces. Like, the shampoo's 13 and it lasts me a really long time compared to these. I guess I use more conditioner than shampoo anyways, but I love these. They smell so good. Smells like coconut. That's what it smells like, and it's just great. I gave one of these away. By the way, if you're the winner and you're watching, I haven't mailed your prize out yet, and it's actually in that box back there. I need to mail it out so badly, but we've had bad weather here lately, and I just haven't been able to mail it out, and so I'm sorry, but you will get it eventually. I'm so sorry. So the next thing I've used up is the Daisy by Marc Jacobs little roller ball perfume. And this is actually my mom's, and I stole it whenever I gave it to her as a gift, and then I stole it because I gave her the full bottle too, and she never used this one. And this stuff smells so good. I have the full bottle of Daisy Oh So Fresh, which is definitely a much lighter scent than this, but I really like this, so I might buy one, but I don't know. But I really like this, so highly recommend that you try that. Then I used up the Bath & Body Works Gentle Foaming Hand Soap in Vanilla Snowflake, and this smells really good. Just smells like vanilla-y, and obviously you can't get this anymore because it was seasonal, but I'm sure they have something that smells similar to it. They have tons of vanilla scents. Then I used up another one of the Bath & Body Works soaps, and this is called Peach Poppy, and I actually got this in the winter time when they had a whole bunch of their like summer scents on sale, so I don't know if they have this one again, but I love peach scents, and this smells like peaches, kind of like peaches and like a little bit herbal, like maybe like with mint or something, I don't know, but I really like that scent as well. Then I used up this Colgate Total Advanced Deep Clean toothpaste, and I'm sure I've said this in other like products I've used up videos that I always, or haul videos maybe, I don't know, I said it before, that I always use a Colgate toothpaste. It's just my preference. So I'm pretty sure I have like one from the same line, but just like a different type this time that I bought and to replace this one. Wow, use your words. But yeah, I really like Colgate toothpaste, so that's the brand that I use. Next, I used up the little mini Tresemme hairspray, and this was at the 4th strength because they have like little strengths to, you know, determine how strongly it's going to hold your hair. And I had this one in my purse, and I haven't repurchased this one. I've just been carrying around a big bottle of hairspray, so I need to get another little mini one sometime, because whenever I like wear my hair in a ponytail, I, you know, spray back my flyaways, and sometimes they come up, so I always like to have hairspray on hand in case that happens. Next, I used up the Bath & Body Works PocketBac antibacterial hand gel in Aspen Autumn Day, and I think I actually have another one of these. I'm pretty sure. I'm like looking at it right now. That's where my little container with all my little Germexes are. And this to me, it smells like apples. I think it smells really good, which I think is why I bought 2 of them. And this again was a fall scent, so you can't get it, but I mean, I know they have like fresh picked apple scents or something like that there, but to me this just smells like really good juicy apples. Next, I used up my chapstick candy cane chapstick, one of them. I had bought 2 this year, and I believe this is my one from last Christmas that I bought, like 2012 Christmas. I love this stuff, and so this year I bought 2 because it's seasonal, but it's so good. I mean, it's just like a peppermint chapstick, which I'm sure you can find, but I love the candy cane chapstick. It smells so good, and it tastes good, and it makes your lips feel really good. So I love that, and I was really sad that I used it up, even though I had more. The next thing I used up is the MAC Studio Sculpt Concealer in NW20, and this is kind of bittersweet for me because this was the first high-end makeup product I ever purchased, like a really long time ago. I went with my Christmas money and bought a few different items from MAC, and this was one of them, and so I'm really glad that I finally used it up, but at the same time I'm sad because they discontinued it, so I can't get it anymore, and I did really like it, but I think I want to try like the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer because I heard that's really good, but I am glad that I used it up finally. Next, I have another concealer, and it's the Maybelline Dream Lumi Touch Highlighting Concealer in the shade Ivory. I've repurchased this countless numbers of times, and had it in other products I've used up videos. It's really good, great under eye concealer. I'm wearing it today, so highly recommend that you check that out as well. Next, I used up the CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation in the shade 832, and I have used this like up so much. I've been like taking the little wand out and like putting it on my hand to try and get the last little bit of product out. I absolutely love this foundation. I repurchased it. I'm wearing it today, the new bottle. It is so good. I've never liked a drugstore foundation as much as I've liked this one. Highly, highly, highly recommend that you try it. I cannot recommend this foundation enough. It's supposed to be a primer, a concealer, and a foundation all in one. I love it so much. It gives great coverage, and it's really, really blendable, really easy to blend. I love it. It's really, really great. So definitely try that out. And my last product is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. Now this is the 2-ounce one, so this is the really small one. I have repurchased it in the 4-ounce one, the little, like the medium-sized bottle. I cannot talk to you about this stuff enough either. This has made a world of difference with my hair. I mentioned it in my hair care routine video. I cannot do without this. Like, if I skip it one night, like, I can tell a difference the next day in my hair. I only use it when I wash my hair, but if I wash my hair one night, don't use it, I can tell a really big difference in my hair. This just moisturizes my hair so much, and it just makes it so silky and smooth and soft, and I cannot live without this stuff. It is so expensive though, so that's why I would recommend getting the small bottle. I think this one is around $10 to try out. And this small bottle, if I don't wash my hair every night, obviously, so if you do wash your hair every night, it's not going to last you as long. But for not washing my hair every night, this small little bottle lasted me almost 3 months. So I'm sure the big bottle is going to last me a lot longer, but I love this stuff. Highly, highly, highly recommend you give it a try. It's just fantastic. I love it so much. So those are all of the products that I have used up recently. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below with any products you think I should try next, and make sure to subscribe if you have not already. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!